Good morning, children. Welcome to biology session. I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is structure of chloroplast. Yes, children, what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is a plastid. It is a cell organelle which contain a pigment known as chlorophyll. So this chlorophyll will harvest light and helps in the process of photosynthesis. This is the green color pigment. Chlorophyll is the green color pigment which is present in the chloroplast. So today let's know about the structure of chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Chloroplasts are the cell organelles found in plant cells and eukaryotic algae that conduct photosynthesis, children. So chloroplasts absorb sunlight and use it in conjunction with water and carbon dioxide gas to produce food for the plant. So if a cell is broke up, the chloroplast also break into pieces. So it becomes a very difficult task to isolate them to study different steps of photosynthesis. It was not until 1954 Daniel Aron was able to break up plant cell so gently that whole chloroplast could be obtained that could carry through photosynthesis. So if we break the cell, definitely there will be a breakage of chloroplast, but Daniel Aron has broke it successfully and today we are able to study it just because of the scientist. Yes. So let's go with the structure of the chloroplast. So when you see the structure over here, children, it has been found that chloroplast is a membranous structure. So it consists of three membranes. The third layer forms sac-like structure known as grana. So when you see this sac-like structure over there, stack of thylakoid down, when you observe, it is nothing but a grana. So it is believed to the site of trapping of solar energy. So that will trap the solar energy. So intermediary fluid filled portion is called as stroma. So the intermediate yellow color layer is nothing but the fluid filled layer. It is known as a stroma, children. So it is believed to be responsible for enzymatic reaction leading to the synthesis of glucose. Synthesis is nothing but production of glucose which in turn join together to form starch. So this is the structure of chloroplast, children. You are seeing outer membrane over there, intermembrane, space, inner membrane, stroma, fluid filled structure for enzymatic reaction, and granum which trap light energy, solar energy, and you will see the thylakoids, bunches of thylakoids, lamella, lumen. Inside the thylakoid, that space is known as a lumen. Yes. So yes, children, substances found in chloroplast which capture sunlight are known as photosynthetic pigments. So there are many pigments which will trap sunlight, like phyllocybins is one of the pigment, keratin is one of the pigment, carotenoids. Okay, so there is also bacteriochlorophyll, that is also pigment. Even chlorophyll is such a pigment which contain atom of magnesium. It is similar to the structure of hemoglobin. So children, this chlorophyll is also a pigment which gives green color and it is similar to the structure of hemoglobin, the iron containing red pigment that transport oxygen in blood. So see, the first figure is a structure of chlorophyll and second figure is a human blood hemoglobin. Iron is at the center, here magnesium at the center. So the iron containing red pigment, so the only difference, it contain iron in the blood and it contain magnesium in the chlorophyll. That is the only difference, children. It contains one atom of magnesium in chlorophyll and one atom of iron in blood, that's it. And the structure of chlorophyll is exactly equal to the structure of hemoglobin. Yes. So children, there are two kinds of chlorophylls are associated with thylakoids membranes. They are chlorophyll A, which is blue-green in color, and chlorophyll B, which is yellow-green in color. That is the reason I have given you colors over there. Chlorophyll A is blue and green and chlorophyll B is yellow and green, so that you could remember it easily. Okay, children? Yes. So around 250 to 400 pigment molecules are grouped as light harvesting complex or photosynthetic unit in each thylakoid. So how many pigments are there? 250 to 400 pigment molecules are grouped as light harvesting complex in each thylakoid. So thylakoid is nothing but, see, here I have shown you in the structure of the chloroplast. Once again I would like to show you. See, this is the thylakoid. Ring like structure are you seeing? So in that, how many pigments you have? 250 to 400 pigment molecules you have. So during photosynthesis, children, several events occur in chloroplast. So what are those events? It's very, very essential for you to remember all these three. First one is conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules. It is nothing but photolysis. Prefix photo is light, lysis is splitting of water, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. So this is about the chloroplast, children. So there are light reactions and dark reactions also. So light reactions takes place in granum, and dark reactions are nothing but light independent reactions will be taken place in stroma. Grana and stroma, just now I have shown you in the figures, right, in the figure of chloroplast. So the just fluid like structure I will be showing you once again. Just concentrate. See, the fluid like structure in this dark reaction takes place, and in granum light reaction takes place, children. Found at the place in it is related to the light reaction. Tomorrow I am going to start. Now I hope you understood the structure of chloroplast. Tomorrow I am going to start dark reactions and light reactions, children. So just remember that dark reaction takes place in stroma and light reaction takes place in granum. Coming to the assignment. So here you have two simple questions. Dash is such a pigment which contains one atom of magnesium. It is similar in structure to dash. You fill those blanks. So next one is blank. So during photosynthesis, several events occur in the chloroplast. What are those events? Please name them. Clear, children? I hope you all understood the class. Thank you. So this is about the structure of chloroplast. Tomorrow we will do with light reaction and dark reaction. Thank you.